Ever thought about how technology is not just a tool at our fingertips, but also a guardian of the planet? It might seem far-fetched, but let's dive into the world where tech is the hero we never knew we needed. Consider the case of deforestation, an issue that has been plaguing our planet for decades. But technology, in the form of satellite imagery and AI, has given us the power to detect and prevent illegal logging activities. For instance, the Rainforest Foundation, in collaboration with tech companies, uses real-time satellite imagery to protect the rainforests. The satellite images are processed using AI, which can identify illegal deforestation activities. This allows for rapid response, potentially saving thousands of acres of forest. Now, let's shift our focus to the energy sector. Renewable energy sources are the future, and technology is the catalyst propelling us towards that future. In Denmark, the largest offshore wind farm, Horns Rev 3, was made possible with the use of advanced wind turbine technology. These technological advancements have resulted in more efficient energy production, thus reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Technology has also come to the rescue in the face of disasters. Remember the deadly earthquake that struck Nepal in 2015? The humanitarian OpenStreetMap team used crowdsourced mapping to assist rescue efforts. Volunteers from around the globe used satellite images to update maps in real time, helping rescue teams navigate the devastated areas. But it's not just about saving the planet. Technology also empowers individuals and communities. In Rwanda, for example, Zipline uses drone technology to deliver medical supplies to remote areas. This has drastically reduced the waiting time for essential medical supplies and saved countless lives. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Technology, when leveraged correctly, can be a powerful force for good. It's not just about the latest gadgets or the fastest internet. It's about using technology to make the world a better place, for the planet and for the people. And speaking of technology being a force for good, every piece of tech we've discussed so far is powered by data centers. These are the unsung heroes of the tech world, quietly working in the background to keep our digital world running. Zion is a global company that keeps these data centers, along with storages, servers, and network equipment, functioning smoothly. Our work might not be visible, but it's crucial in ensuring that technology continues to be a force for good. For more news, tips, and insights about data centers, storages, servers, and network equipment, subscribe to our channel. And if you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up. You can also visit our website at www.ziontechgroup.com for more information. The next time you use your phone or laptop, remember, you're not just using a piece of technology. You're part of a larger narrative. A narrative where technology is the hero, saving the planet and empowering people one click at a time.